Okay, so welcome to the desert. It's raining. There's Buttercup. Here is trench number 1. Rommel. And continuing down the yard. Here we come to the next set of trenches to divert the water off the house. Oh, there we go. It's kind of foggy. I can't see through my plastic bag out of the camera. There you go. Rommel is not a fan of the rain. And let's head out the gate and see how the weather's going over here. See if our road is turned into a river yet. And there's Val's house. Oh. And here is the Bouillon River. Rommel, no! Oh, walking the outline of the property. And the entire side road is a river. See how flooded the parking lot is. Oh, there's Rommel having a hissy fit. Rommel! And even the parking lot's pretty well flooded there, about a couple inches on pavement. Oh. Oh, and the main driveway is pretty flooded. And let's try the main road. Well, there you have it. There is our flooded house here in the desert. For everybody at home who thinks I'm a nut job when I come home and dance in the rain, I'm not dancing in it anymore this week. There's Rommel crying for me to come back in and let him back in the house. See where Buttercup is. Oh, there's poor Buttercup. Could she look any more pathetic? Like a little drowned rat. Buttercup! Say hi to Grammy. Say hi to Grammy. Oh, Ramo's gonna say hi to... Say hi, Ramo. Oh, he's a good boy. Well, that's the rain detour I have to do every couple hours. Waiting for this to stop. Oh, my garden's not flooded. Nothing in it yet, but at least I won't have to redo my garden. Alright, everybody. Miss ya. Love ya. And all that teasing I was doing about it being 70 degrees and sunshine here while you guys were stuck in the winter weather, well, yeah, karma's a bitch.